Hello and welcome to another one of our weather videos. But today we are looking at two winter storms that are about to form all in the course of the next week. But first, if we look at the National Weather Service's alerts, you can see that we currently have a blizzard warning up here in the northern US. And then the National Weather Service is already starting to pick up our first winter storm with winter storm warnings throughout here in most of the mid Atlantic. Then, if we look at our winter storms on the radar, you can see that right now we currently have Winter Storm Demi forming over here above Arkansas. Then, if we keep going, it first starts turning into snow on Saturday with snow in the north. And then we get a shot of rain as it goes off the coast, but then a second wave forms right behind it, bringing in Winter Storm Demi, with our main focus on the snowfall on the New England coastline. And then we have our second winter storm forming on Tuesday in Texas, where then it becomes a very severe winter storm, bringing in lots of snow to the southern US. But then we're also expecting a very heavy ice storm with severe storms in northern Florida as we get tons of snow across the US. And then we're looking at all of our snowstorms just moving out as we might see a future snowstorm on January 27th forming. Then, if we look at the total amount of snow these snowstorms will be bringing in, you can see that Winter Storm Demi will be bringing in up to 10 inches in these areas in New England. And then Winter Storm Enzo will, from Tuesday to Wednesday, will be bringing in also up to 10 inches, affecting all of the Gulf of Mexico states and the southern Atlantic states. And then we even have this lake effect snow up here with up to 4 feet. Then, of course, with snow, we have freezing rain, where we are looking at freezing rain across all of these states that are expecting snow from Winter Storm Enzo. And then we're looking at an ice storm in between Georgia and Florida. Also, if we look at how cold it is supposed to get from now till February, you can see that we're currently looking at from 10 to below negative 10 throughout all of these areas that are purple or blue, and then 10 to 30 in all these green and yellow areas. Then, if we look at Winter Storm Severity Index for Winter Storm Demi, you can see that the areas where we will have the greatest impact will be Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, and all of these areas. And then we'll have minor to major impacts throughout all of this area, throughout these areas where we will be expecting at least 5 inches of snow. Finally, if we look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, you can see that we are still looking at below average temperatures across much of the US, with us seeing no above average temperatures across any of the US right now.